Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is high throughput selective soldering system. A selective soldering system solders two boards at once, with automatic setup and controlled heating, increasing production speed and supporting reliable electronics assembly. VersaFlow 5, High 5 for ultimate selective soldering. Kurtz Urser's VersaFlow 5 is a high throughput selective soldering system built for complex electronics manufacturing. The system is designed to increase output while keeping production lines simple. Its main advantage is the ability to process two PCBs independently within a single machine, improving throughput without requiring extra floor space or additional equipment. At the center of the platform is the VersaFlex 2.0 solder module. This module enables fully parallel, independent soldering of two assemblies at the same time. The system also supports synchronous and asynchronous operating modes, allowing manufacturers to adapt production flow based on line requirements. To maintain stable process control, the VersaFlow 5 uses a multi-segment matrix heating system. Individually controlled heating zones can be adjusted to match specific PCB layouts, helping achieve consistent thermal profiles and reducing thermal stress on components. The machine supports large board formats of up to approximately 685 by 508 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Automation plays a key role in the system design. Features such as automatic solder nozzle changing and automated flux nozzle cleaning reduce manual setup effort and improve repeatability. These capabilities support longer production runs with fewer interruptions, which is important in high-mix, high-volume environments. Some of the key advantages include the next step toward autonomous production. Component-friendly and energy-saving solution saves costs and resources. Produce different soldering tasks independently side by side for high flexibility and high throughput. Enables processing of 1XL board or 2X standard formats. Enables manual routing to optimize throughput and cycle time. The company targets industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical, and industrial electronics with this platform. By combining parallel processing, controlled heating, and automated maintenance features, the VersaFlow 5 focuses on improving productivity while maintaining consistent selective soldering quality. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.